Hi everybody. I found this really neat tool online recently. It is a tool which actually helps you find the best keywords to use in your videos, so your videos can rank well when people do a search. I'm going to do the keywords for this very video right now. So let's put in the first few, how to. And you can see it has a very poor score. Let's try adding to it. How to find. And let's click explore. And you see it's still a poor score. Let's elaborate. How to find keywords. It came back only fair. Okay. Maybe we have to get more specific. Let's click on the suggested how to find keywords for YouTube videos. And you see it came back good. Let's get even more specific. How to find keywords for YouTube videos 2020. And it came back very good. I think we have a winner. And let's just change 2020 since it's almost 2021. And let's see how that comes back. Only good. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to use the previous one, 2020. And it came back very good. And I think we're going to use that until the end of the year. Then what we'll do is we'll change the date to 2021. There we go, and you can see I've just saved those keywords, and I'm going to actually make the video on those keywords.